in the heart of the Corona Del Mar Village to show you 4 homes that are on the market right now that are all amazing opportunities. So this area of Corona Del Mar, we've got Ocean Boulevard that comes down here, views of the wedge across the way. We've got Big Corona Beach, we've got Little Corona Beach, the tide pools. There's so many restaurants that are walkable. This zone is a place people dream to live. All of these homes I'm going to show you are more on the original side and need some work. And what I always say with people and the people that I'm helping buy houses is that when you're able to get a home that is more original, you now get to add value. You can remodel the home to make it look how you want, and now it is worth a significantly higher price, especially in this area, if you fix it up to be a lot more modern. So this home is 211 Narcissus Avenue. It's just 3 lots off the Ocean Boulevard where the beach is right there. So what's gonna be happening with this home is it's already planned to be demoed and it's gonna be delivered as graded dirt. So the current owner is building a unit and then they're selling the second unit. And if you're an end user, they already have builders set up with designs made, and that'll be a really easy process. If you're someone who's looking to build the home to then sell it, there's a ton of upside on this property. So there's 2 options for this home and the way that it can be built. Option A is all above ground. That one's gonna be roughly 3,300 square feet with a 400 square foot garage. Option B, you're going subterranean. You're building a 3-car garage, and that house would be roughly 5,500 square feet. So this home is listed at 5.195, and they're estimating roughly about $3 to $4 million to build. So you're in it for about 9, and then they're planning on exiting their side of the property for 12 to 13 million. So if you're an end user looking to build your own custom home, you're in it for roughly around $9 million. And if you are looking to build and then sell, you're in it for 9 after the build, and then you're exiting for 12 to 13. That's a $3 to $4 million profit. Not so bad. So this next home I want to show you is 300 Heliotrope Ave. It's a duplex. Both units, the front unit and the back, both have 2 bed, 2 bath, and they each have their own 2-car garage. So this home, it is more original, and I see 2 different options for the house. One of them is you do a freshen up, right? So you're gonna look at this as a rental unit. Either you're living in one unit, renting out the back, or you're looking to rent out both units. The first option is a light remodel. You're redoing the kitchen, you're just making the place more modern. You're freshening it up, and you're able to charge higher rents, and you can get it rented out a lot more quickly for a lot less money. So the second option is to tear it down, and now you're building a brand new duplex where it could be 2 units potentially sold separately, or you now have both these units where, again, you can live in one, rent out the other, sell them both, or you're now renting out both, and you can charge much higher rents because it's a much nicer property. So this property is listed at $4,595,000, and for the location and what you can turn this into, it's a really great value. So this home is 227 Poinsettia, and it is bigger than the other ones we've seen. It is 4,100 square feet, and inside is incredible. Again, it is something that's a little bit more original where it does need to be freshened up. But I think if you did, again, you have so much potential for resale value or just making this home because of the size and the bones of the house. You can really make it into something incredible. So you walk in and it has a little bit of an older feel. It's a little bit darker, and there's things you can do to brighten it up. There's things you can do to modernize it. You can take the kitchen, which has incredible size, but then you can put in new countertops. Again, you can do lighter floors, you can do lighter wood, you can paint stuff white. A lot of things you can do to really not have to completely tear stuff down and remodel, but you can come in and refresh, resurface, and make this place really, really special. the bedrooms are upstairs, and they all have some sort of a balcony or a view into either the courtyard or out here onto the street. The master closet is huge, so it goes all the way to the hallway, but it's deep, it has a lot of showcase. Again, there's things you can do to freshen it up and make it brighter, but the size of it, and again, the bones, like something I've learned with my wife is from owning houses, buying houses, flipping houses, it's really expensive to change the bones of a house. So when you already have really good structure, you can just freshen it up and resurface it and make it look great and make it just exactly how you want it to look. So my wife and I have always bought original homes, and what we've always looked at is like, okay, the bones of a house, they're really expensive to change, but when you have good solid bones in a house, you can do minimal things to make a house really spectacular. And I think this is one of those houses. Like, you look at how long this closet is, how many showcase things are. You could just, it feels dark, so there's things you can do to freshen it up, but really that doesn't need much. But yeah, you just can take what's already existing and put on new countertops, new flooring, new wallpaper, new paint, and this place will feel a lot brighter, a lot more like you. So this home is a 3-bed, 5-bath, listed at $8.195 million. So this is 419 Marigold. It is in a killer location of the Flower Streets. It is just shy of 1,900 square feet, 2-bed, 3-bath, has a built-in elevator. This home is really cute. It's listed at $3,395. One idea in the home is right when you walk in the garage, there is a little mini office. And I think that could be turned into a mudroom if you don't need the office downstairs, because they built in sort of a desk space in the master bedroom. So if you turn that into a mudroom where kids can leave the backpacks, they can leave, all of their shoes, everything as they come in the house right through the garage, I think that's a really great idea. So those were 4 incredible homes in the heart of Corona Del Mar, in the Village, by the water, with a lot of opportunity. So I'd love to hear from you. What sort of home are you looking for? Do you prefer the move-in ready, the freshly remodeled, that you can just move in, not have to do a thing? Or do you like to look for the home that you can add your own touches, you can do your own design? Because I know my wife loves to design the look of the house and the feel of the house. I love that as well. So what do you prefer? I am Braden Flynn with the Tim Smith Real Estate Group. We are the #1 team in Orange County. Would love to help serve you. We're really good at what we do. Would love to take care of you and be your strategist for whatever your strategy is. All right, until then, we'll see you on the next one.